7 juices that detox your kidneys. Kidney health, 1 juice a day for 7 days. Your kidneys are working for you every second of your life, silently filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and protecting your body, until one day they start to struggle. And most people don't realize it until real damage is already done. What if something as simple as the juice you drink today could either support your kidneys or slowly weaken them? In this video, I'm revealing 7 carefully chosen juices, one for each day, that can help support kidney health naturally. Every tip you'll hear is fact-checked by health researchers, not internet myths or trends. But here's what most people get wrong. One popular healthy juice can actually stress your kidneys if taken the wrong way. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share one powerful kidney tip almost no one talks about, and it could completely change how you protect your kidneys starting today. Number 1. Cucumber juice. Let's start with cucumber juice, because this one looks simple, but it's quietly powerful. If you've ever felt bloated, puffy, or like your body is holding on to too much water, your kidneys may be working harder than they should. That's where cucumber juice comes in. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water, but this isn't just any water. It's water loaded with natural electrolytes and plant compounds that gently support your kidneys without stressing them. When you drink cucumber juice, you're helping your body flush waste more efficiently while staying properly hydrated at the same time. And hydration is one of the most important things your kidneys need to function well. What I love about cucumber juice is how gentle it is. Unlike some strong detox drinks that shock your system, cucumber juice works calmly and steadily. It encourages urine flow, which helps your kidneys clear out excess sodium, waste products, and fluids that your body doesn't need. This can be especially helpful if you often eat salty foods or feel swollen in your hands, feet, or face. Another reason cucumber juice stands out is its low potassium content compared to many fruits. That makes it a smarter option for people who are cautious about kidney health and don't want to overload their system. At the same time, it contains antioxidants that help reduce internal stress and inflammation, 2 things that can quietly damage kidneys over time. When you make cucumber juice, keep it simple. Fresh cucumber, washed well, blended or juiced, and enjoyed without added sugar. You can drink it in the morning or between meals when your body can absorb it easily. Many people notice they feel lighter, less bloated, and more refreshed within days. Think of cucumber juice as giving your kidneys a break. You're not forcing them to work harder, you're supporting them so they can do their job more smoothly. And when your kidneys work better, your whole body feels the difference. Better energy, clearer thinking, and a calmer system overall. This is why cucumber juice earns the first spot. Simple, gentle, and deeply supportive, sometimes the quiet choices make the biggest impact. Number 2. Apple juice, fresh, no added sugar. Now let's talk about fresh apple juice, because this one is familiar. But most people underestimate how helpful it can be for kidney health when done the right way. And the key words here are fresh and no added sugar. That's what makes all the difference. Apples contain natural compounds that support gentle cleansing inside the body. When you drink fresh apple juice, you're giving your kidneys something easy to work with. It's light, hydrating, and naturally refreshing, which helps your kidneys filter waste without feeling overworked. Think of it as cooperation, not pressure. One reason apple juice stands out is its natural acidity. This mild acidity can help discourage the buildup of certain waste materials in the urinary system. It's not harsh, and it's not aggressive, it's subtle and supportive. Over time, these small supports add up, especially if your kidneys are already under stress from dehydration, poor diet, or too much salt. Apple juice is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect kidney cells from daily wear and tear. Your kidneys are constantly exposed to toxins and waste products, so anything that helps reduce internal stress is a big win. When you choose fresh apple juice, you're not just hydrating, you're protecting. Here's something important to keep in mind. Store-bought apple juice often contains added sugars and preservatives, which can do more harm than good. That's why fresh juice matters. When you make it at home or choose a truly natural option, your body recognizes it as real nourishment, not a sugar load. As you drink it, notice how it feels. Many people say fresh apple juice feels comforting, almost calming. That's not just in your head. When your body doesn't have to fight against artificial ingredients, it can focus on balance. And balance is exactly what your kidneys need. You don't need large amounts. A moderate glass is enough to support hydration and gentle cleansing. Drink it slowly, enjoy it, and let your body respond. Kidney health isn't about extremes, it's about consistent, smart choices. Fresh apple juice is a reminder that something simple, familiar, and enjoyable can still be powerful when used with intention. Number 3. Lemon water juice. Let's talk about lemon water juice, because this is one of those habits that sounds almost too simple to matter, but when done consistently, it can make a real difference for kidney support. And the beauty of it is how easy it is to include in your day. When you add fresh lemon to water, you're not just improving the taste. You're giving your body a gentle signal to wake up and start flushing. Lemon naturally encourages hydration, and hydration is one of the most important gifts you can give your kidneys. When your body is well hydrated, your kidneys don't have to struggle to filter waste. They work more smoothly, more efficiently, and with less stress. Lemon water also contains natural compounds that support the body's cleansing processes. It helps keep urine diluted, which can reduce the concentration of waste substances passing through the kidneys. Think of it as making the kidneys' job easier instead of heavier. Over time, this kind of support can really add up. Another reason lemon water stands out is its effect on balance inside the body. Even though lemons taste sour, they leave an alkaline effect after digestion. This balance can be helpful for people who feel sluggish, heavy, or inflamed from poor hydration or overly processed foods. When your internal environment is calmer, your kidneys benefit too. What I really like about lemon water juice is how flexible it is. You can drink it warm in the morning to gently stimulate your system, or cool later in the day for refreshment. No complicated recipes, no expensive ingredients, just fresh lemon and clean water. Simple choices are often the ones we stick to, and consistency matters more than intensity. One important tip: fresh lemon is key. Bottled lemon drinks or sugary lemon juices don't offer the same benefits and can even work against kidney health. A small squeeze of real lemon is enough. You don't need to overdo it. As you drink lemon water regularly, many people notice they feel lighter, more refreshed, and less bloated. That's your body responding to better hydration and smoother waste removal. Your kidneys thrive when you support them gently, day after day. Lemon water juice isn't about dramatic detox claims. It's about daily support, smart hydration, and giving your kidneys exactly what they need to do their job well. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Now let's talk about beetroot juice, because this one is powerful, and it deserves a little respect. If you've ever looked at the deep red color of beets and thought, "This must be doing something," you're absolutely right. That rich color comes from natural plant compounds that support circulation and overall cleansing in the body, which directly affects how well your kidneys are supported. Beetroot juice helps improve blood flow. And that matters because your kidneys rely on steady, healthy circulation to filter waste effectively. When blood moves smoothly through the kidneys, they can do their job with less strain. Think of it as improving the delivery system so the filters can work properly. Another reason beetroot juice stands out is its natural support for detox pathways. It encourages the body to release waste products more efficiently, which can take some pressure off the kidneys over time. This doesn't mean forcing a cleanse, it means supporting the body's natural rhythm. And that's always the smarter approach. Beetroot also contains antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from daily stress. Your kidneys are constantly exposed to toxins from food, water, and the environment. When you reduce oxidative stress inside the body, you help preserve kidney function long-term. That's prevention, not just reaction. Now here's an important reminder. Beetroot juice is strong. You don't need a large amount. A small glass is more than enough to get the benefits without overwhelming your system. Drinking too much too quickly can feel intense for some people, so moderation is key. Many people notice that beetroot juice gives them a sense of energy and clarity. That's often a sign that circulation is improving and waste is moving more efficiently. Your urine may even change color. That's normal and temporary, and it's simply the natural pigments passing through. Beetroot juice works best when it's fresh and simple. No added sugar, no heavy combinations. Just beetroot, prepared cleanly and taken mindfully. When you treat it as support rather than a miracle cure, it becomes a valuable ally for kidney health. Number 5. Celery juice. Now let's dive into celery juice, because this is one of those drinks that feels simple but is quietly amazing for your kidneys. Celery is full of water, natural electrolytes, and compounds that help support kidney function without overwhelming your system. Think of it as a gentle boost that encourages your body to flush out toxins naturally. One of the best things about celery juice is how it helps reduce inflammation. Your kidneys are constantly filtering waste, and over time, stress and inflammation can make their job harder. Celery contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that calm inflammation and help protect the delicate structures inside your kidneys. It's like giving them a little shield while they work tirelessly for you. Celery juice also naturally encourages urination, which is a key part of supporting kidney health. When your body is able to release excess fluids and waste efficiently, it reduces strain on the kidneys. Many people notice that drinking celery juice regularly helps with bloating, puffiness, or that heavy feeling you sometimes get after salty meals. Another reason celery juice is so effective is its mineral content. It's rich in potassium and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance and proper electrolyte levels in your body. This balance is essential for kidney function, blood pressure regulation, and overall energy levels. When your kidneys aren't stressed, your whole body feels lighter and more energized. The key to celery juice is simplicity. Fresh, raw celery, blended or juiced, and enjoyed without any added sugars or extra ingredients. You don't need a huge glass. Just a small amount in the morning or between meals can make a noticeable difference. Celery juice is a quiet, consistent way to support your kidneys every day. It's not flashy, it doesn't promise miracles, but over time, it helps your kidneys work more efficiently and keeps your body feeling lighter, calmer, and more balanced. Number 6. Watermelon juice. Next up is watermelon juice, and this one is not just refreshing, it's incredibly supportive for your kidneys. Watermelon is made up of over 90% water, which makes it one of the most natural ways to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for your kidneys because it helps them flush out toxins and maintain balance in your body. But watermelon isn't just water. It contains natural compounds like antioxidants and citrulline that support blood flow and help reduce oxidative stress. Your kidneys work best when your circulation is smooth and your cells are protected from daily damage, and watermelon helps with both. Another benefit is its gentle diuretic effect. Drinking watermelon juice encourages your body to release excess water and salt, which reduces pressure on your kidneys. Many people notice less bloating and a lighter, more energized feeling after including it in their routine. It's important to enjoy it fresh and naturally, without added sugar. A small glass a day is plenty to give your kidneys a gentle boost while keeping you refreshed. Watermelon juice is a perfect combination of hydration, detox support, and natural energy, all in one delicious, simple drink. Over time, this small habit can help your kidneys work more efficiently and keep your body feeling balanced and revitalized. Number 7. Cranberry juice, unsweetened. Finally, let's talk about cranberry juice, but not the sugary kind you find in stores. I'm talking about fresh, unsweetened cranberry juice, and it's one of the most powerful natural supports for kidney and urinary health. Cranberries are known for helping prevent infections, which can put stress on your kidneys if left unchecked. What makes cranberry juice so effective is its natural compounds called proanthocyanidins. These help prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections and supporting smooth kidney function. When your urinary system stays healthy, your kidneys can focus on filtering waste instead of dealing with extra stress. Cranberry juice is also packed with antioxidants, which fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals can damage delicate kidney cells over time, so giving your body this kind of protection is a smart daily habit. It's important to drink it fresh and unsweetened. Sugary versions can actually work against kidney health, so keep it pure. Even a small glass a day is enough to notice the benefits over time. In addition to kidney support, cranberry juice can improve overall hydration and help your body naturally flush out toxins. It's simple, effective, and a natural way to support your kidneys while protecting your urinary tract. Over time, incorporating this juice can make a real difference in how your body feels and functions. Summary. So there you have it, 7 powerful juices that can naturally support your kidneys and help your body stay balanced, energized, and healthy. We covered cucumber juice for gentle hydration, fresh apple juice for antioxidant support, lemon water juice to encourage natural cleansing, beetroot juice for circulation and detox, celery juice to reduce inflammation, watermelon juice for hydration and flushing, and unsweetened cranberry juice to protect your urinary tract and kidneys. Each one works in its own unique way, but together they form a simple, natural routine that can make a noticeable difference over time. Remember, the key is consistency and using fresh, natural ingredients without added sugar or preservatives. Small, intentional steps every day often have the biggest impact on kidney health. If you start incorporating these juices into your routine, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to work efficiently, and that can improve your energy, reduce bloating, and help your body feel lighter and healthier. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss more tips for natural kidney care. I'd love to hear which juice you're excited to try first. Leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video on daily habits that protect your kidneys naturally. Your body will thank you.